In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a business account on Pinterest. As you can see, I'm on Pinterest right now, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. But before we start, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first step is go to pinterest.com. This will work also on your phone. Then hit sign up over here. And as you can see here, it says welcome to Pinterest. And here you can enter in your details, but you don't want to do this here. You want to go down to see create business account. You want to hit this and you want to enter in your details here. So I'm going to enter in all my information and then get back to you. And when you're done, you can hit create account. Now it's going to create the account. And as you can see, you successfully made the account. Now you can hit, now you can set up your profile by adding a profile picture, your business name. I'm going to add a business name right now, how to 75, and then you can add a website, but I don't have one. Then the country of residence and the language, which is all right. Then hit next, and now hit the focus of your brand. I hit travel, then hit next. Then you can choose one of these, but this is all personal preference. Then hit next again, and then hit next again. And now you can hit where would you like to start, share IDs, and as you can see, now you successfully made your business account on Pinterest. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.